Surprising fruits that rebuild cartilage naturally. Cartilage is essential for smooth joint movement, but once damaged, it heals slowly. While medical treatments exist, nature offers its own support system. Certain fruits contain powerful compounds that may help protect and rebuild cartilage naturally. These fruits are rich in antioxidants, enzymes, and nutrients that nourish joints and reduce inflammation. Do you want to improve mobility and flexibility in your joints? Discover the natural solution. Visit the link below in the description for the details. Here are 10 surprising fruits that rebuild cartilage naturally, helping you support joint health with every bite. 1. Pineapple, rich in bromelain. This tropical fruit helps reduce joint inflammation and pain, making it easier for the body to begin cartilage repair. 2. Avocado, high in healthy fats and unsaponifiables. Avocados help protect cartilage cells and may slow cartilage breakdown over time. 3. Pomegranate, packed with polyphenols. Pomegranate helps block enzymes that wear down cartilage and supports chondrocyte, cartilage cell, survival. 4. Blueberries. These tiny berries are loaded with anthocyanins, which fight oxidative stress and reduce the enzymes that damage cartilage tissue. 5. Kiwi, high in vitamin C. Kiwi supports natural collagen production, an essential protein in cartilage formation. 6. Papaya, contains papain, a natural enzyme that eases inflammation and supports joint flexibility and repair. 7. Grapefruit. This citrus fruit delivers naringenin, a compound that blocks cartilage-degrading substances in arthritic joints. 8. Cherries, especially tart cherries, they help reduce uric acid and inflammation, protecting cartilage from joint damage. 9. Figs, high in calcium and magnesium. Figs support bone and cartilage strength while promoting better joint mobility. 10. Dates, rich in antioxidants and essential minerals. Dates help protect cartilage from oxidative damage and premature aging. Fruits that rebuild cartilage naturally offer a simple, tasty way to support your joints daily. Add these to your diet to nourish your body from the inside out. Do you want to improve mobility and flexibility in your joints so you can move freely, exercise without discomfort, and enjoy daily activities with ease? Visit the link below in the description for the details. And always consult with your doctor to get the best recommendation. Thanks for watching.